సో శ్రవంతి మా హడావిడి
ఎక్సైటెడ్ నిఖిల్
ఎందుకు
లోపలికి వెళ్ళడానికి
ఫైనలీ అంటే ఇప్పుడు మేము రెడ్ కార్పెట్ మొత్తం చేస్తున్నాము, ఇక్కడ సెలబ్రేషన్ మొత్తం అయిపోయింది. ఎక్కడో మాకు కూడా లోపల ఈవెంట్ ఎలా జరుగుతుంది, పర్ఫార్మెన్సెస్ ఎలా జరుగుతున్నాయి, ఎవరు అవార్డ్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నారని లైవ్ లో మాకు చూడాలంటది. కాబట్టి మేము కూడా ఇక్కడ నుంచి లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపోదాం అనుకున్నాం. చూసారు కదా రెడ్ కార్పెట్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ కాస్ట్యూమ్స్ తో, బ్యూటిఫుల్ వేర్స్ తో చాలా మంది సెలబ్రిటీస్ వాక్ చేసిన కార్పెట్ ఇది. సైమా రెడ్ కార్పెట్, ద మోస్ట్ డిజైరబుల్ కార్పెట్. సో మీరు చాలా మందిని చూసారు, అల్లు అర్జున్ గారు, శింబు గారు, ఇకపోతే హన్సిక, పూజ దగ్గర చెప్పుకుంటూ పోతే శ్రవంతి చాలా మంది పేర్లు ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇంకా ఏమాత్రం ఆలోచన చేయకుండా మేము కూడా వెంటనే ఇదే జోష్ తో, ఇదే హైతో లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. లెట్స్ గో.
Shall we roll? Okay, hello guys, we are at the 10th edition of SIMA and right away in the red carpet with us we have the most gorgeous, beautiful looking Faria Abdullah with us. Hello,
How are you? Good evening.
I know you're absolutely doing great. No need to ask that question for you. It's 10th year of SIMA. I mean,
Yes.
how do you feel about this?
It's only second year for me, so I hope that I get to spend 10 years over here. Until I feel that, I don't know how 10 years are actually going to feel.
Amazing. So now I want to have a quick question with you regarding the sport. Which is your favorite sports?
Favorite sport? Basketball?
Basketball. Okay. Have you ever played basketball? Are you a basketball player?
I used to play in school. Now not so much.
Okay. Any other favorite players you have in any other sports?
No man, I've been very inclined towards arts most of my life, so sports wasn't really a center of focus. Yeah.
So we have a sponsor partner with us, which is SkyExchange.net, which is an absolutely online sports channel.
Okay.
So if you want to say something for the sports lovers, you can say them to watch in SkyExchange.net.
Yeah, SkyExchange.net. I think you guys are rocking. Keep up the good work. I hope you guys do really, really well, just like my movie.
See, she loves basketball, and you can watch more basketball updates on SkyExchange.net, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great evening. Lovely having you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Here's our Brinda ma'am. Welcome ma'am to SIMA 2022. First of all, thank you so much for giving us this beautiful opportunity. It looks bigger, better, and it looks like a blast. So ma'am, what's in the house?
That you have to wait and see. I don't want to, because people inside, it has to be a surprise. No, I don't want to reveal what's inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Brinda ma'am, you look absolutely gorgeous.
Thank
also.
you. Thank you so much.
And how much excited are you, ma'am?
Yeah.
I am super excited. This is my baby, and Vishnu and I have. It's been a dream for us, and it's 10 years. The dream has taken it's 10 years now, so it's very exciting.
So nice.
So ma'am, we wish you all the best.
Thank you
Without
so
you,
much.
there's no SIMA.
No,
we all
thank
know
you so
there is
much.
none of us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
and please
I'll
go
see you.
on.
I'll see you.
Thank you.
Thank you.